Hello friends, I am Dr. Dattatreya Mahapatra. Today we'll discuss about knee arthritis. Knee is the biggest joint in our body. It has a smooth, shiny, slippery articular cartilage which acts as a protective layer around bone in the joint and keeps the knee movements smooth. Arthritis develops when this articular cartilage starts to degenerate, or it is lost because of wear and tear in aging, or in diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis. When cartilage degenerates, the joint space between bones gradually becomes narrow. This can easily be detected in X-rays. There is a membrane around knee joint which is called synovial membrane. This membrane produces a thick fluid which nourishes the knee joint. When knee is arthritic, this articular cartilage membrane becomes thickened and produces excessive fluid. This excessive fluid leads to swelling in the knee joint. Gradually, over a period of time, bones rub against each other and starts eroding out. This leads to deformity of knee joint. Normal knee movements become painful. Even activities of daily living becomes very difficult and restricted. Symptoms of knee arthritis include knee pain, knee deformity, crackling sound inside knee joint, and there is loss of knee range of motion. So let us discuss who develops knee arthritis. Typically, knee arthritis develops in people more than 50 years of age. Knee is also involved in people who are overweight, who have diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis. Even in some people, knee arthritis runs in families. Associated factors that increase the suffering in knee arthritis are injuries to knee and fracture and dislocation around knee joint bones. So let us discuss what is the treatment of knee arthritis. In initial stages, treatment should be simple measures which alleviate the pain and protects the knee range of motion. Initial treatment includes simple painkillers like paracetamol, local application of hot fomentation, local massage, and anti-inflammatory drugs. Some patients improve with local bracing and knee exercises. In little advanced stages, knee may require intra-articular injections like cortisone injections or viscosupplementation. If despite all these measures, satisfactory improvement cannot be achieved, then knee replacement is an option. In some people who are young, if they develop arthritis and deformity, there is another procedure called corrective osteotomy which can correct the deformity and improve the condition. I hope this video was informative, and if you find it useful, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.